OCP and Desert Camo Molle 2 canteen pouches, and they're going green. Round 1 done. Round 2. Burlap. Some cheap duct tape on it. And we're going to use this to make our camo stripes on the 2 Molle 2 pouches. I put duct tape on it because burlap is real thin and see-through, so I want to at least keep it from having the spray paint go through the burlap. So hopefully that works. I got 4 strips. Flat black paint. And here is the end product. I gave it kind of a tiger stripe look from the Vietnam era. And I also did on the back too. I just put like 3 coats of the black on there. So now all we have left to do is to put on the East German Combat Pack. Here it is on the East German pack. Doesn't look too bad. Get some light there for you. Looks pretty cool. These are actually working better than just the bottle itself to tighten around the canteen. So there you have it. Do-it-yourself Molle 2 canteen pouch. The only thing I am noticing on this here is that it's just a little flaky on there, but it'll probably slowly wear off. So I might put some more coats on it one day. I don't know. We'll see. I literally used this whole can on it. I have lots of this left for the stripes that it made. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. God bless you and see you soon. Bye.